and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another smoothie recipe for you guys, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So I think today's video is going to be the end of our smoothie series. I've been on a roll with these smoothies. I mean, of course, I'll probably make more smoothies in the future, or if there's a specific smoothie that you guys want me to try, definitely let me know in the comment section below and I'll do that. But I think I'm going to change things up a little bit. But today, I think we're going to kind of end this for now with an apple pie smoothie. Super excited for this one. So if you haven't seen it already, definitely make sure to check out my other, let's see, 3 videos. They're kind of like dessert type, breakfasty type smoothies. So we have the blueberry pancake smoothie video, we have the cinnamon roll, and then the cinnamon bun smoothies. So those are all delicious. This is going to be kind of in that same realm. Super excited. So for this one, you're going to be needing some almond milk. You're going to need half of an apple. So I just cored it and then we're just going to cut that in half and slice it and put it in our blender. All I did was use one of these little bad boys and I just jabbed it in and took the core out. Then we have half of a frozen banana. Then we have our vanilla extract, our cinnamon, and we have kind of like a handful of our pecans, whatever you want to call them. I don't care how you pronounce it. So all we're going to do is go ahead and start loading this stuff up into our NutriBullet. And we do have cinnamon here, so you're definitely going to want to make sure you add that in last, just so it doesn't get all stuck on the top here. And then when you flip it over, like all your cinnamon is chilling up here and not getting into your smoothie. So we're going to start off by adding our banana, half of a banana. Then we're going to add in our pecans, we have our vanilla, we have our, you can't even see what I'm doing, then we have our almond milk. I'm smoothied out, you guys. Then all that is left is our cinnamon and our apple. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this apple right in half. And then we're just going to put this half of the apple to the side. I'll be munching on that later, probably with some almond butter. If you guys want to know how I make almond butter, whether you have it with the skins or if you blanch the almonds or whatever you want to do, I can link a video up here. I can also link how you blanch almonds up here too. So we have all of our ingredients. So last but not least, our cinnamon. I can't wait. Alright. This already smells so good. Anything with cinnamon, forget about it. So we're just going to go ahead and add our lid and then we're going to get to blending. So good. I gotta give this a little whiff. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. So just like in the other videos, if you guys want this to be thicker, you can go ahead and add some ice. Now I typically like to freeze these smoothies so I don't have to worry about making breakfasts and different things. So I don't like to add ice for that reason, because obviously you're going to be freezing these and they're going to be extra icy, and then if you just add ice into it, there's a lot of water content and it's going to be very like icy rather than creamy and smoothie. So I'd rather do it this way, and then you can go ahead and freeze it, and then if you want to add ice to kind of thicken things up or whatever you want to do afterwards, then you can do that. But I'm just going to go ahead and put this into another cup and we're going to try some. Okay guys, so we're all done. Now let's try some. So good, you guys. This definitely tastes like apple pie. The apple mixed with the pecans, whatever you want to call them, and the cinnamon are amazing. You really can't go wrong with those 3 ingredients alone. I wonder if I could add, you know, maybe oats or something like that and make like a pancake mix out of this. I think that would be really, really good, or waffles or something like that, because this is like the perfect little breakfast smoothie. I definitely love these breakfast smoothies. Definitely let me know what you guys think about them. And I love apples, so anything with apples or cinnamon, banana, cinnamon, honey, to die for. So go ahead, if you want to sweeten this up anymore, you can always add in some honey. It's really not needed. I can definitely taste it's sweet, but just to give it that little extra think. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody who wants apple pie in a cup. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.